Hello guys, welcome back to Crafty Cultured. We are back here with another exciting video. Today we are going to make a bread jam made of strawberry, lemon zest and honey. And if you are new to this channel, click the subscription button below there and the bell next to the subscription button so that you can get notification on our new videos. We do 2 new videos every week, and if you like these videos, give them a thumbs up, leave a comment, just do it below on the comment section there, and you can share these videos with your friends and family so that they can get the knowledge you're passing through. So we are going to jump into our video, and first I will show the things we need to make our bread jam made of strawberry. So these are the things we need for our bread jam. These are the ingredients we need to make our bread jam. First of all, I have lemon fruit. Then I have strawberries, fresh strawberries. Then I will need a grater for the equipment. I'll need a knife. I need a fork, a spoon, and I need honey as a sweetener for our bread jam. And finally, I need a bowl where I'll mix all my ingredients to make the best. First of all, we are going to prepare our strawberries. So you put this away. Now we have our strawberries. Then we are going to need some lemon zest, but we are going to smash our strawberries. So I'm using my fork to smash the strawberries. So this is my juicy smashed strawberry. So I'm going to put it in a container here. I had 10 pieces of strawberry which I smashed. Now I want to have my lemon zest, so I'll use a grater. Then I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of honey to sweeten my jam. So honey is just a sweetener. You can use honey, you can use sugar, whatever you prefer, but for me I prefer honey. So this is how our zest look like, but we are going to put it in a microwave for 3 minutes so that it can blend, and then we are going to do the last smash, and this will be ready to spread on our bread. So this is how that look like. So we're going to put it in a microwave for 2 minutes or 3 minutes. So after 3 minutes, our zest is ready. So you let it cool and then it's ready for use. This is how our strawberry lemon zest jam looks like. This is how our jam looks like. And now we're going to spread our jam. We have a bread here. We're going to spread our jam on the bread. So we're going to spread our jam on the bread. So this is the easiest way you can make your bread jam, and this is how our bread jam looks like, and I want to have a taste of it. It's so fresh, so delicious. We don't have chemicals in here. We just have fruits and natural honey, which is very healthy to you, and we don't have any preservative. We made our own homemade jam, and it's very delicious. It just tastes like the commercial one, and you want to make that at home, and let me know how it tastes. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, click the subscription button below there, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to leave a comment, do it below there on the comment section, and make sure you stay safe, and bye bye.